Good morning. This is Patrick McCullough, forecaster here at the National Weather Service office in San Angelo. I look at our weekly briefing for Thursday, February 13th. This briefing is being updated about 8 a.m. Again, I think the important update that we're looking at is after a very cold morning this morning, things are going to quiet down a little bit, although we will see some roller coaster temperatures. But we continue to look at moderate to high chances of below normal temperatures by the middle to end of next week, say starting as early as maybe Wednesday into Thursday. And there is at least some potential for some wintry precipitation along with that very cold air mass. Again, chances are low, maybe 10 to 20%, and right now it looks like it'll be light and probably not producing much in the way of any impacts, but it is a week away and something we're going to be wanting to keep a very close eye on as we head through the next 5 to 7 days. Again, the key points, roller coaster temperatures will continue for the next 5 to 6 days, 7 days. Warmest days on Saturday and then again next Tuesday when highs climb into the 60s and the 70s. Stronger cold front will then arrive again both Saturday night to drop temperatures for Sunday and then again for Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night to bring that much colder air mass into the weekend, into the mid to late next week. Otherwise, dry continually through the weekend and into early next week. And again, we're looking at that chance of below normal temperatures and some sort of winter precipitation possible by the mid to end of next week. Looking at the temperatures for highs and lows at some of our communities across the area. Again, you see those warming trend for Friday with the much warmer temperatures by the time we get into Saturday, 60s and 70s across much of the area. Cold front drops highs back into the 40s and 50s for Sunday. We start the warming trend again for Monday and into Tuesday before that next colder air mass arrives for Wednesday. Again, looking at low temperatures, we've got some freezes still upcoming across the area. Warmest morning continues to be Saturday morning where temperatures will probably be above freezing, but at or below freezing temperatures look pretty widespread across most of the area through the next week. Again, we see those temperatures start to bottom out by next Tuesday night into Wednesday morning with that next air mass moving into the area. Again, just a sort of a quick look at nationwide, we see that moderate to high risk for below normal temperatures for next week. Again, high risk covers much of west central Texas down to around the Interstate 10 corridor. And again, chance for some winter precipitation is only about 10 to 20% at this point. But it is something we'll be keeping an eye on as we head through the next week. Drought index hasn't changed much yet. Again, we continue to see some below normal rainfall for much of this winter. We'll continue to keep an eye on this as we head into the spring planting months and see if we can't get some better rainfall across the area. Again, there's our regions for west central Texas. Next update Monday sometime during the morning, and continue to have a good weekend.